Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix error X00007b. The application was unable to start correctly, so you can launch your apps without crashes. First, restart your PC, because temporary system glitches can sometimes trigger this error. Next, reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, since missing or corrupted versions are a common cause. After that, update your Windows system to make sure all required components are installed. You should also run the application as an administrator to avoid permission issues. Another important step is to reinstall DirectX to fix any broken system files related to graphics. Also, check if your app matches your system architecture, like 64-bit apps on a 64-bit system. If the issue continues, reinstall the application completely to ensure a clean setup. Finally, restart your PC and launch the app again, and the error should be fixed in most cases. Subscribe the channel for more videos.